Hi guys, install ako ng DRL. Meron, hindi ko na siya gamitan ng switch at saka hindi siya nakakonect sa ignition or park light. Yung i-connect ko lang ay is yung signal light lang para meron siyang turn signal at saka hazard. Itong device na to mga lods, ano na to siya, voltage identifier. Pag ang sasakyan, yung battery natin is 12 volts lang, di ba? Pag maandar na yung sasakyan natin is, pag maggana na yung alternator niya, yung battery natin, kargahan ng alternator yun, di ba? Tapos hanggang maabot siya ng 13 volts, saka gagana yung DRL. Tapos pag patayin mo naman, pag bababa siya ng 13 volts ang battery, automatic mag-shut down na yung DRL natin. Ito yung DRL na ilagay sa Foglight DRL. Ito yun mga lods. Walang DRL na ito mga lods. Itong yellow na wire para to sa signal light, niya, para at itap natin siya doon sa signal light ng kotse natin para magagana din yung turn signal niya or hazard. So dalawa yan, kabilaan. Ito yung harness niya. Yung harness niya, kunik yan dyan. Kunik yan. Tapos ang pinakadulo nito mga idol, to red and black, dito natin yan i-connect sa red and black din sa module. Voltage identifier pangalan nito. Ito may fuse na siya mga lods. Fuse niya mga lods, mga 5 amperes lang.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 low, you can still go. Go, go, slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Hi guys, dito na start ko na yung wire ng DRL, yung harness. Dinukot ko lang yan doon sa ilalim mga lods. Ayan mga lods, dinukot ko lang yan doon sa ilalim. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan siya mga lods. Dinugtong ko na yung harness. Tapos dinaan ko dito siya. Dinaan ko lang siya dito mga lods. Ito dito lusot siya dito. Yung dugtong yan, itali lang natin yan para secure siya. Okay mga lods, i-connect na natin tong device natin. Connect na natin tong device natin na voltage identifier. Ibig sabihin ng yung factory setting niya 13 volts. Ibig sabihin ng start power supply, mag-on yung DRL pag aabot na siya 13 volts. Mag-off naman yung DRL pag mababa na sa 13 volts yung battery, yung time lapse power off. Yan, may instruction naman. Yan yung red and black. I-connect natin sa DRL yan. Tapos itong dulo nito may terminal na black and red din, battery and ground. Ang yellow para sa spark light para mag-dim siya. Okay, connect natin mga amigo.
Papa ni ba?
Ha?
Naka-bios.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
mga lods, na-connect na yung battery, positive, body ground. Yan ang body ground niya. Ito, itim. Ito yung pula para sa source niya. Fuse. Itong yellow mga lods sa park light to para mag-dim. So, hindi ko na muna i-connect yan kasi wala akong pang connection para hindi mag tap. Na-connect ko na rin yung ano niya mga lods. Temporary lang to. Yung sa park light. Ay hindi. Sa turn signal na. Testing natin mga lodi. Natapos din. Ito na yung sinicure ko muna siya dito. Temporary lang kasi pag biyahe ako. Ito yung fuse. Ito yung source niya. Yung body ground dito ko lang kinonek. Pwede rin naman yan sa battery. Ito sa black. So dyan ko na. Parehas lang yan sila. Yan. Ito testing na tayo. Testing natin mga lods. Start engine saan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, mga 10 seconds talaga to. Signal light. Ano ba signal light? Yan, signal light. Pikas. Okay. Stop engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 36, 37. Depende talaga sa voltahe. Kung kailan siya bababa ng 13 volts mga idol. Tsaka siya mag-off. Pero karamihan 30 seconds lang. Minsan sobra. Hindi naman aabot ng 1 minute. Okay. Thank you mga lodi. Ito na yung start niya. Putulin ko pa to. Para linis tingan.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I